Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect DO Prime with MT5. To begin, go to the DO Prime homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top left navigation area and click on Accounts. This is where you can manage existing trading accounts or create a new one. From the Accounts section, select Open Demo Account. In this walkthrough, we're setting up a demo connection for MT5, which is useful for testing the platform and making sure everything is working properly before using a live account. After the demo account page opens, click on the Type drop-down menu. From the list of available account types, choose MT5 ECN. This option makes sure the account you create is compatible with MetaTrader 5, so it's important to select the correct type here. Once MT5 ECN is selected, click Continue. On the next screen, click Continue again to move forward with the demo account setup. After that, your account details will be displayed. At this point, copy the login details shown on the screen. These details are essential because you'll need them in MT5 to complete the connection. Make sure to keep them somewhere secure and easy to access while you continue. Next, open MT5 on your device. When the platform loads, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. In the menu that appears, select Open an Account. This will bring up the broker server search window, which is where you connect your DO Prime account to the platform. Now go back to the details you copied from DO Prime and paste the server information into the server search field in MT5. After pasting it, click on the server when it appears in the results. Choosing the exact server listed in your account details is important because the login will only work if the server matches the account. Then click Next. You'll now be prompted to enter the login details from DO Prime. Type or paste the account credentials into the appropriate fields carefully, paying close attention to accuracy. Even a small typo in the login or password field can prevent the connection from working. Once the details are entered correctly, MT5 should connect your DO Prime demo account. If you run into any issues, double-check that the server name and login credentials match the account information exactly. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting DO Prime with MT5.